What's a bleeding pain in the arse getting that boat in? Is it going to be worth it? Only time will tell. There's a house there at the top, right at the top. I bet the insurance company loves that one. Ooh, that'll cost you. Stupendous of scenery. I was rather hoping I'd get round here and be able to have a little breather here. I thought I'd get a bit of shelter. But no, the wind's coming in at that perfect angle round to the west. It wouldn't be half as bad. My God, look at that bloody stack up there, ready to come down. Oh my God. Listen to them pebbles roar. Is it doable going through the cave? Is it doable? I think so. My traffic light was on red this side, you were free to come through. Is it any calmer that side?
Yeah, it's okay for a little while. Then the car pit until you get past Durdle Door.
It's easy. It's easy. Oh, get it. Oh, wind's blowing me through. Bloody hell. No paddling required. Let's have a minute in here. I always dreamt of driving my Land Rover up there. Up over that hill, down this one and up Combat's Head. It would have been belting. I shall have a minute here, I'll have a drink of water. I can access my day apps now as well. Lovely. The smell of the sea on a hot day. Nice and calm. Oof, I don't want to get any closer than that. There's Durdle Door at the bottom. I forget what this pinnacle's called. Summit Pinnacle. Little floating little underwater bum nugget. A neutral buoyancy bum nugget. It ain't one of mine. It looks like a mini Scotch egg bum nugget. Big swell. Big swell. Here we go. Durdle Door. It's like a big dragon dipping its head into the sea. There he is. Bloody hell, it's popular here today. Not surprisingly. She hasn't got a strand wet. That water, it's absolutely beautiful. Come on, I've got to run out of tape. Oh, hey!
Yeah, let's do it.
Go of your heart, go of your head, feeling there, Babylon. Yeah, it's definitely a dragon for me. Some say a Stegosaurus or a Brontosaurus. Oh, absolutely super. Man of war code. Come on, wet dog now, want some peace and quiet. Absolute heaven in here. Durdle Bay over there. Lulworth Cove. And it is superb. Uplifting experience. He's going back at boat now, causing another one, just in time for me coming out. The douchebag. Where's Matt when you need him? Eh? Oh, gone cloudy. It's gone cloudy. Here. See like baboons' faces in it and that. Oh, it's definitely a baboon's face there. And a dog's face. Creepy stuff. Going back in again. Bay. Ooh. My arse is killing me. Oh, I'm ready to get out of this boat. Look at that, I thought it would be crashing in and it's not.